My YouTube channel. So in this video I will show you a Python program according to 7th standard CBSE syllabus. So let's start the video. So first you have to click file and new file. This is the box where you have to fill the commands. So first we will write my underscore marks is equal to int means integer, input input, then again bracket open, we will write enter the marks, enter the marks, then after that colon space inverted comma and bracket close, one time also bracket close. So this is our first close, this is our first line. After that we have to put enter, then write if, this is the if condition, bracket open, my underscore marks, my marks is greater than, smaller than, 35, bracket close, colon, then after it print, bracket open, inverted comma, 3 exclamation marks, comma, you are failed in the exam, then after it inverted comma and bracket close, then you have to press enter and put ellipse, bracket open, my marks smaller than or is equal to 60, bracket close, colon, then after that you have to press enter and write print, bracket open, inverted comma, passed with C grade. Then you have to put another ellipse, bracket open, my marks greater than 60 and my underscore marks greater is equal to 85, bracket close, colon, print passed with B grade. Okay, after that we have to put inverted comma bracket close. After that we have to put another elif condition, elif no, this time else, comma, enter, print passed with A grade, inverted comma. So that's it. This is our program. So we have to click on run, then run module. We have to save this file before it starts. So we will be saving it as A grade. So this program is running. Enter the marks. So suppose I put 76. It will show passed with B grade, means this is the average mark. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up and subscribe our channel.